Hi guys, welcome to Unicorn's World. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a slime milkshake. What you'll need is a little cup. If you were using a round cup, I would not suggest it, but you can use it if you want to. And this like a cylinder cup. And obviously some slime. To start off, I'm going to take a small place for my little slime milkshake, and I'm going to place my milkshake down and take some slime. And now what I'm going to do is break it into smaller pieces and keep on pushing them inside till it reaches the very top. And make sure that it's all around our cup. Now we're going to press it this way. It'll look nice and smooth. Now we're going to make our icing. To start off with our icing, we're going to just roll it into a snake. If you want, you can use the same step as whipped cream. Make sure it's nice and long. Now I'm just going to put it right over my little part right over here onto the side and roll it for a nice circle. Then we're going to use our other slime from our roll and put it inside it for another circle for our ice cream, for like whipped cream. And that's how you make a slime milkshake or smoothie. Please like and subscribe. Bye! Thanks for watching!